just watching the glass. It's all fading now. 3 a.m. The city sleeps alone. I'm staring at the streetlights through the window pane. The neon signs are melting like a watercolor tone. Is it tears in my eyes or is it just the rain? My reflection in the glass is looking kinda strange, like a ghost of who I was before everything changed. I try to focus but the edges are gone. The memory of you, it don't stay too long. Drifting like smoke, floating on the floor. I don't even know what I'm waiting for. It's just rain and blur, washing out the colors of the world we knew. Everything is rain and blur. Nothing is clear, baby, except for the blue. I'm drowning in the mist, lost in the gray, watching our history washing away. In the rain and the blur. This heavy bass is beating like a broken heart, vibrating through the silence of this empty room. We used to be a masterpiece, a work of art. Now we're just a shadow dancing in the gloom. The coffee's getting cold, the time is moving slow. I'm holding on to things I should've let go. Tell me, can you see me now through the foggy glass? I'm reaching out, but you're moving too fast. Let it rain, let it pour. I can't see the pain anymore. Oh, it's just rain and blur, washing out the colors of the world we knew. Everything is raining.